Okay, here's our 78 Yamaha DT250. Just got her out of the garage here. She's pretty much cold. I haven't started her in probably, I don't know, a week. So we're gonna fire her up here so you can see how she runs. Set this in here. Is a little cold-blooded. Let her warm up, man. She'll start running a little better. Yeah. Turn signals. Working headlight too. Can't really see it in the daytime, but the brake light works. The horn doesn't really work. It kind of makes a funny noise, but it doesn't really beep. So there she is. Good bike.